Mathematics is not just a subject, it's a world of calculation that can add good deeds, subtract worries, multiply happiness, and divide by zero solutions to make them infinitely many. Good morning, Michaelites. Today is 22nd December, the day when India celebrates National Mathematics Day to honor the birthday of the great mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan. The world will always be grateful for his contributions to mathematics.
Now can you all guess who this man who knew infinity is? He's none other than the great Indian mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan. He never had any friends at school because they really understood him and were always in awe of his mathematical acumen. As a young man, he failed to get the degree as he could not clear his fine art courses, although he performed exceptionally well in mathematics. Alicia, why do we learn math? Ritik, it is because mathematics is very useful in everyday life. We use math concepts as well as the skill that we learn from practicing math problems every day. Mathematics gives us the way to understand pattern, define relationships and predict the future. It also helps us to do many important things. Friends, have you heard about the name Aryabhatta? Shreya will help us with the information on him.
Aryabhatta is known as the father of Indian mathematics. He was a great mathematician and astronomer of ancient India. His major work is known as Aryabhatiya, which consists of trigonometry, plane trigonometry, algebra, quadratic equations, sum of power series, and arithmetics.
The main motto of Mathematics Day celebration is to make people aware of the significance of numbers in life.
Some of you all might be bored with the subject math. Math is not only a subject but a part of our life. The more we do it, the more it increases our mental ability. Now Varsha will tell us some interesting facts about maths.
Zero is the only number that cannot be represented by Roman numerals. Do you know if you were asked to spell out numbers from 1, you will not find the letter A until you reach 1000. Try it yourself.
Mathematics helps us understand the world and provides an effective way of building mental discipline. Math encourages critical thinking, creative thinking, problem-solving ability, logical reasoning, spatial or abstract thinking, and effective communication skills.
I feel maths the way I feel my emotions because mathematics is not just a game of numbers but a whole life as far as I'm concerned.
Zero and the decimal system we employ worldwide today was first contributed by India. Many Indian mathematicians made a seminal contribution to the study of trigonometry, algebra, arithmetic and negative numbers.
Now, do you all know who is known as the human computer? She is none other than Shakuntala Devi, best known as the human computer for her ability to perform lengthy calculations in her mind. Millions of students from across the world have been influenced by her wisdom and gifted personality.
The interesting fact is that at the age of 3, she stunned her father by winning each time while playing cards. Her father thought she was cheating, but all she was doing was memorizing the cards in sequences and using that to her advantage by calculating probability.
Math may not teach us how to add up or subtract hate, but it gives us a hope that every problem has a solution. Once again, a very happy National Mathematics Day.
Everyone loves dance and art, right? But have you ever imagined dance and art with mathematics? Sounds interesting.
So here are second graders explaining us about their lines to dance, Wali art and math day to day-to-day lives.
It is 8 o'clock. It is time to go to school. Bye mom, bye dad.
10 tomatoes minus 2 tomatoes is equals to 8 tomatoes.
This is my pillow. It is circle in shape. Standing table. It is rectangular in shape. This is my plate. It is bowl in shape.
Pulses, rice and vegetables are measured in kilograms. Liquids, water, milk and oils are measured in liters and milliliters. Clothes are measured in meters or centimeters.
I heard 7th graders being motivated to become fashion designers and making jewelry.
Oh, is it? But what has motivated them to think about it?
The activity that they have done in class had in fact motivated them to do this.
Hi.
Hello.
Hey, what are you eating?
We are eating bingo marangos.
Oh, nice. I think there is one more type of chips which are in the shape of these triangles. Yes, it's Doritos.
This is one of the activities which we were given in school on the basis of triangles. Shubha, do you remember about the triangles jewelry?
Yes,
I'll show.
yes, I want to see it.
These are our jewelry on the triangles.
Oh, wow. This is really very amazing and nice. You made really nice triangles. I think when you grow up, you can become a jewelry designer.
Thank you. Even you can also make triangle jewelry in your home with color papers and etc.
We use triangles in construction of bridges. Yes, the triangles are very useful in our day-to-day life. Thank you for explaining me about the triangles and its properties.
Our pleasure.
Hey Radha, why were you absent yesterday? Yesterday was my birthday. Oh, happy birthday. Thank you. But you missed a really interesting concept. Raised and fractions. Oh, I brought toffees for everybody. I want half of it, but I only have 17 toffees. I can give one toffee to you. This should solve your problem. Half of 18 means 9 toffees. Oh, my share is 9 toffees. I want to take 1/3 of 18. 1/3 of 18 means 6 toffees. My share is 6 toffees. I want to take 1/9 of 18. 1/9 of 18 means 2 toffees. My share is 2 toffees. Oh, there is 1 toffee left. This is fine. Thank you. When you take 17, you cannot solve the problem. When you add or borrow a number, the total should be 18. We can divide with accuracy.
Fraction, fraction, fraction. A part of whole is fraction. Fraction, fraction, fraction. A part of whole is fraction. If numerator lesser than the denominator is called proper fraction. If numerator greater than the denominator is called improper fraction. Combination of whole and part is called mixed fraction. Fractions may look different even though they may have same value. Fractions may look different even though they may have same value. It's called equivalent fractions. It's called equivalent fractions. Fraction, fraction, fraction. A part of whole is fraction. Fraction, fraction, fraction. A part of whole is fraction. If fractions are having same denominator is called a like fraction. If fractions are having different denominators is called unlike fraction. Fractions having one of the numerator is called unifraction. Numerator and denominator have no common factor except one. Numerator and denominator have no common factor except one. It's called single form of fraction. It's called single form of fraction. Fraction, fraction, fraction. A part of whole is fraction. Fraction, fraction, fraction. A part of whole is fraction.
Thank you, 4th graders, for not explaining your field, but also for us how to simplify fractions with whole numbers.
We have learnt odd and even numbers in our primary classes, but of course, we use it in our day-to-day life. So let's revisit the concept of odd and even numbers through a song by the Maritali students.
Numbers are great for counting things. All whole numbers are either known as even numbers or odd numbers. Even numbers are whole numbers that can be divided by 2.
Odd numbers are whole numbers that cannot be divided by 2. Here, we students of grade 4 and 5 present